said I was awarded the quotation.
Well, Kelly, I'm just absolutely thrilled for you. Is it a winner that you got there?
So I called, it's an asbestos abatement, and I called the guy. He said he formally gave a quote for this project at around K. So I put the bid in at 57K, and I was awarded. So I think that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty good there, Kelly. I'm
Yeah.
super excited for you.
Yeah, it's exciting. Good news. So to move forward, do I need to, she doesn't really say anything in here. Do I need to write her back?
No, if you've got an award letter, you've got an award letter. So you have 10 days to provide a bond, a payment performance bond.
Right.
So I think I hooked you up with Scott.
Yep, Scott's, I'll just inform him.
Yep, you'll inform him tomorrow morning that you got one. And then the next thing you'll do is issue a subcontract agreement. So you'll go on my members only website, pull down the subcontract agreement, customize it to your company, and make sure you get that over to him. And then do you already have G&L insurance?
For what?
Uh,
Is it?
General liability insurance?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah, I have all that.
Okay.
I have to.
So you'll turn that in to the contracting officer. With the once you get the subcontract agreement signed, you'll have to fill out an SF form 1413, and I'll walk you through that. It's no big deal. And then it's a matter of just scheduling with the government and scheduling with your guy, and then yeah.
Sweet.
So let's see. You went through the workshop. I mean, it's probably longer than that, but it seemed like 3 weeks ago. And
it was a very short period, yeah. I've been probably on like 5 or 6 contracts. I think actually I've only been on 4. And I was awarded this one.
man, congratulations! I'm just thrilled for you, Kelly.
So am I. I didn't think it was going to happen so quick. And I've bid on the ones that I can bid, because I have a $200,000 cap. So, and I can only bid in California and the outlying states for right now. But this is awesome.
Yeah, I'm thrilled for you.
Yeah. Well, cool. I wanted to let you know I'm going to get started on this in the morning, and we'll go from there.
All right, I'm here for you if you need me.
All right, Sean. I appreciate it.
You bet, Kelly.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Well, I think this is the first time you and I have met.
It is.
How did you hear about us?
Chris. I don't know his last name. Chris, I think he's out of Arizona. I contacted him about contracting, and he said Doug was his guy, so he sent me Doug's information, and I called him, and that's how we met.
Oh, okay. And then somehow your I believe button was pushed and you decided to invest in the workshop.
Pretty much, yeah. Well, I already knew I wanted to do state, when I started the company, state and federal contracts. So I'm already bidding on state contracts. I got awarded a subcontract, but I'm looking forward to going into federal.
Sure. And so you made it through all 3 days. Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Some people have described it like trying to take a sip of water out of a fire hose. Was that kind of your experience?
A little bit, yeah. There was a lot of information, a lot of proven facts. It was good.
Yeah. Any particular thing, like the $100,000 letter, was there something that stood out in your mind that was just like, oh my God?
Man, I would say that you put this class together. I think it was an oh my God factor, like holy shit, this class over 25 years or 30 years of experience has been put together for somebody like me to come in and use. It was, and the legal factor and all the processes that are already in there that I don't have to find out for myself. It's, you guys have already done that for me. That's the wow factor, I think, for me.
Yeah, you know, when we started this thing, Doug had said that if I had to start over again, what would I want to know that I'd be, you know, kind of leapfrogged right into so I could start essentially being profitable from day one? What would that look like? And that was the general outline of what we came up with for the GCX. So I guess the question is mission accomplished?
Mission accomplished. Yeah, and I'm ready. I'm looking forward to see what 2023 has.
Yeah, sweet. Well, I'm looking forward to working out with you too. So the next question I have is, so you got out of the workshop, you got some post-workshop emails that kind of showed you how to set everything up. Have you gotten into any of those yet?
A little bit, because of the scheduling thing, I think I got a little bit mixed up.
I don't know if you knew this, but I can hit a button over here, and this instantly keeps the audio going, but moves. We're actually in my workshop room right now. This is the whiteboard that you saw all over the
Oh,
workshop
wow.
videos. So
Yeah.
I can transition right here from having a conversation with you on that to transitioning to, okay, let's get, you know, down into what it really takes. So I guess really one of the questions I might have is, do you have any questions after you've gone through the workshop about what you saw?
Man, I mean, there was a lot of information. I think the best way for me to go about it is to get started because I understand the RFQs, RFPs. I do that. I taught myself that through trying to bid on state contracts. So I have a little bit of knowledge about that, but I'm interested in getting in using Bid Tracker and bidding on my first few jobs. And I think questions will arise through that process.
Gotcha. Well, the main thing is that as we move forward through this process, that you know you've got 100% support, guys that have been there, done that, ready to help you move forward, and you know.
Yeah. Oh, and I did want to I'm also certified, what is it? SDVOSB.
Okay. Well, thank you
So
for your service. That's awesome.
yeah. So hopefully that comes into play with federal contracts.
It will. At some point, you're gonna. Oh, you're already certified,
I'm already certified.
and your SAM registration indicates that.
Yes.
Yes,
Yep.
that is going to come into play. Absolutely.
Yeah. I'm excited.
Yeah, you and we're going to be good friends.
Yeah, good. I'm looking forward to it, man. I really am.
Good. All right. Well, yeah. Uh, I'll send you and Fahad an email and get that thing rolling. All right, Kelly. Anything I can do for you?
Not right now. Let's get the email going. If you send the bonding,
Yep.
we'll try to get that taken care of and looking forward to moving forward.
Okay, Kelly. Sounds good.
All right, man. Thanks.
Bye bye.